Does creating a curved reception desk still feel like a challenge for you? Let's break it down together and make it simple. Hi there, this is nicetowers, and every week I share awesome tutorials just for you. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Now let's jump in. So first of all, use rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle right here by 250, 75 centimeter, like this. Now use arc tool and draw an arc from the center of this edge up to here, like this. Now here too, and another arc from here, like this, and another one here. So then use line tool and draw a line right here. Now select all, use move tool, press Ctrl to take a copy of that by 75 centimeter. So now delete this surface and also delete this edge like this, and also here too, this one, and also here. Delete them like this. Now again draw a line right here by 75 centimeter. So then select this edge, use rotate tool, and from here rotate this edge by 8.5 degree like this, and also select this edge with these curves. Again use rotate tool and rotate them by 8.5 like this. Now select all and use weld edges plugin to weld them together. Let me delete this line because we don't need it anymore. Select all, and now by using Curvy Loft plugin and with the first option, make it surface. Click on it. Like this. So now just click here. As you can see, it's ready. Then use Fredo Joint Push Pull plugin. First of all, let me go to inside of the group, and with this option of Fredo Joint Push Pull, extrude it by 3 centimeters. Click here like this. So now let's put a wood material on it. Use paint bucket, select all, and with paint bucket put the wood material on it. As you can see, the material looks off here. Don't worry, I have already made a full video on how to fix materials on curved surfaces. Go check it out, it's super useful. So guys, as you can see, Our work is done. I hope this tutorial was useful and helpful for you. For more tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. And don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. See you next time.